What am I but the way that you see me? You can't tell me secrets about that which I already know. You cannot blind the one who sees with more than the eyes. Struggling to learn as we teach, to speak while we listen, to prove our ability while improving it always, to see each other through love alone. How glorious it is to be a child of the earth. The sun on our face and the waves at our back. The earth is not cruel. My breath may fade tomorrow, but the world is not cruel. It isn't what I thought it was. I've never seen it before. That's all right. I pass my judgment, accepting who we are and who they are and learning the difference. Knowing that tomorrow ain't worth this minute, smashing the half-dead bee to end its suffering, too lazy to hope to wash her wings and too afraid to try. We live in a world where bees fall asleep in flowers, potentially never to return to the hive, where the wings of butterflies fall to the ground as ornaments among the forest floor. I do what I need to stay alive. We polish something to see it shine, just to watch it fade before the morrow. Will the phone ring? Will we have something else to do? I'm scared sometimes that the world will change and I will not get to do what I love. That I will be forced to do something I do not want to do. But then I remember that I am the master of each moment, and that fate is not random when my mind controls so much. There are many empty pages here, and so many words written in the wordlessness. So different we seem, maybe free, but only as much as we are able to live uncomfortably. Sometimes they say, I'd love to live that way, but there is no ambition to take them there. When the all wears off and the oddity is only bothersome. Busy just for the sake of being busy, doing something for the sheer joy of doing it, not pondering it to death. He knows all the ways, but didn't even realize it was a maze.